you go.
Fantastic.
That's 45 servers in this, which is 450 servers in a rack.
Okay, and so, you know, we've also got internal networking, so we've got 45 servers inside.
Yeah, the networking was important too, because if you think of what you'd have to go do from a cabling standpoint, if you took all the cables out from the back plane for 45 servers with multiple network ports from each one, it certainly wouldn't work. So what we have is built into the back plane or built into the system or hot pluggable switches. We have an A switch and a B switch. So you can see this is the switch, so it's a complete converged infrastructure. So you've got a complete switch, it's A switch and a B switch. And there'll be different versions and variations of these over time. But that pulls everything together. So you have a passive backplane, and the passive backplane pulls all of the interconnections from all of the servers, and then it brings them out to the back. Now through the back you have high-speed uplinks. This particular high-speed uplink has got 6 10 gigabit ports for being able to bring that. And these are stackable switches too. So these are high-grade, high-quality switches. So these are actually stackable, so you can stack them all the way up without having to require a top or rack switch. We use pretty high-end silicon for those. And then the chassis itself has got everything else you expect. You know, hot plug fans, hot plug power supplies, everything's hot pluggable, no single points of failure. So it's a pretty cool system overall. We spent a lot of time with the engineering. We did a lot to future-proof it too.
Are these, talk about the power supplies and fans, I mean, are these all common ProLine power supplies?
Yeah, we used a common slot. This is called common slot. All of our ProLine servers use the same ones, and that way we can have different power watt envelopes. We have 200, 500, 750 watt versions. They all fit the same footprint. So this is a common slot, which is helpful from a parts and a sparing. Same thing here. This is a standard fan that's used in our portfolio. This is 4 complete servers. Okay, so I told you the packing density before when it was 1. This is now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 complete memory DIMMs on the back. 4 Ethernet interfaces. Common management port. Okay, so now do the math. You can fill up a 45 cartridge solution with 4 of these. Now it's not 400. Now it's not 45 per chassis. It's 180, and that means you can get 1,800 servers in a rack. So this is the next generation that comes in right behind this. You can see this is a pretty real board. You can take pictures of it. This is not pieces of chips glued onto Mylar. This is real stuff that's running in the lab. In fact, we actually have customers that are running on this particular workload in Discovery Lab. This one is made by TI, and the chips are made by TI, and this is the one that's got 8 integrated DSPs inside each one. So what you have is something that's just killer for the telco marketplace, for doing any kind of seismic processing. It's just amazing. So 8 DSPs. No one can put that many DSPs into a chassis this big. The density is just unheard of. So all the telcos are very excited about this. I think you'll see a revolution in the oil and gas space, right? Because we can do this at a much lower power overall. This is a Calzeta cartridge. So this is the next generation Calzeta cartridge that will actually fit into the solution. This is a 32-bit solution. And then I've got, we also have storage. So you might ask about storage. Each one of these devices can have flash memory on top, or you can have spinning media. And the system itself allows you to share the amount of storage. So you can put the storage in and connect it to any number of computes and do drive slicing and all kinds of really advanced capabilities overall. So you can get the right ratio of core to memory, to core count, to storage spinning media. You can obviously put SSDs in here too as well. Generation solution actually that's got a pretty powerful processor on it, and it's actually got 4 memory controllers and 4 memory DIMMs. So this now goes beyond static. This can handle dynamic web or almost anything you throw at it. So this is a little bruiser.